We're back on the old 1850s farmhouse site, and for day 2 of digging, and we'll take a look at what we find. I've been digging out here for quite a while, come across a few things, nothing spectacular. I hit this signal, and I figured I would show you this for a couple of reasons. I've already pulled it out of the hole, but I put it back in there. I'm going to take it out. It appears to me to be a buckle. Also, I wanted to show you something. About the depth that I'm getting with the AT Pro. I got my sensitivity turned all the way up, and there's my pinpointer in the hole, and so that's 10 inches there, and that buckle was down a little further, so it was probably about 11 inches down in the hole. So I'm getting a good target depth reading with the AT Pro. So I got another signal. It was bouncing all around, 53, 30s, 20s. I pulled out the plug, and I saw this rounded edge. It's kind of thick, but there's some kind of design or words on it, so I figured we would find out what it is together. Yeah. It looks like a smashed piece of copper pipe, but it's had a little edge in there. I don't know if you can see it. It was kind of sticking out. Looks like there's some design on there. Yeah, there is design. The more it dries here with the wind, I'm seeing more design popping out. So we'll clean it up and check it out, and when we get home and I pull everything out, maybe I'll have a better idea of what this may be. So I started to dig this signal, but I said I want to do a live dig because this is the best signal that I've gotten out here all day. It's showing 10 inches deep, so we're going to try to live dig it. And we're not too far right now away from where I found the 2 silver dimes out here on this property. We're not far away at all. Matter of fact, it was right under that oak tree there with the bench. And there's the cemetery I showed you the other day. And so here's where we are. And this is the best signal I've had all day. The homeowner actually homeowner's brother just actually pulled up and asked me had I found anything else. And I told him no, and just as soon as he drove off, I hit this signal. So let's see what we got here. Oh, there's something round right there. You see it? I always get so excited at this point. Oh man, it kind of looks silver too. Oh wow, it is. Look at that. It's another silver dime. Oh, let's see. No mint mark. Let's see. Oh yeah, it's a barber. Look at that. Beautiful. One wipe, 1913. Awesome. Man, that is great. So I got a bouncy signal and I dug it, and you know, I found 3 of these head stamps. This is a head stamp. Found 3 of them the other day, and I didn't video the first one, so I said, well, I'm going to video this one. This is again the United Metallic Cartridge Company, and this is a different one from what I got the other day. This is I believe that's going to say New Club. That one was down about, well, it was about 10 inches in there, but awesome, I'm stoked. So I got another plug dug out here. I haven't looked at it yet, but I believe it is another head stamp. Ah, yes, and it is. Let's see what we got. Oh, looks like it says Winchester. I'm getting to where I need my glasses. All right. This is the second one of these I've found. I'll show you the first one and get them both cleaned up. So I had another good 53, 51, 53 strong signal. I dug it and I first saw, well, man, that looks like an L, but I believe what we got is a broken buckle. We're over here close to the pack house now, and I come across a strong 81 signal. It's been consistent with silver out here on this farm and this soil, so let's see what we got. Move out of the light. The sun's in a bad position, throwing shadows everywhere. Whoa, look at that. That looks like a button. No, it's not a button. It's a ring. What type of ring? That's the next question. An O-ring. Anyway, pretty cool. Came around the end of the pack house and run into this huge pecan tree. This is probably the biggest pecan tree that I have ever seen, as far as the diameter of the tree here. I mean, it's huge. Got the sun behind me, so we'll walk around it a little bit. I just flipped over this. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, you can see it. Looks like a penny. But it's a wheat cent. Let's see if we can figure out what the year is. Been digging trash all day, so I'm happy to get a wheat cent. Let me clean it up and we'll take a look at it. Got that wheat penny cleaned up. It looks like a 1941. So glad to have it. I've been digging aluminum and trash all day. So a 1941 wheat penny is a sight for sore eyes. So just off of the front porch of the home here, not too far from the wheat penny a while ago. Dug a little signal and I see this, not sure what it is yet. Let's find out together. Oh, it's a key. Master lock key. Maybe the lock will be around here somewhere. There's our number 3, just come out of the hole, and that's part of the numbers that make up the address for this particular home. So I'm sure this came off back when they were doing some fixing up of the home, I'm sure, on the front porch. So I moved away from the house to get away from the trash, and got a fairly decent signal here. Oh, that looks like, oh, I know what that is. I know what that is. Let's get some dirt off of it. Oh, look at that. CH Guyot. That is a suspender buckle. Well, that wraps up day 2 out at the old 1850 farmhouse. We got plenty of acreage left to search, so make sure you check back for more videos coming up. One thing you can't get back is your time, so thank you for spending yours with me. Dirty Boots NC. We'll see you next time.